It's a 2019 Ford Super Duty F-250 single rear wheel. When you're built Ford tough, you look forward to the rough patches. This F-250 thrives when the work is hardest. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, driver selectable mode, trailer brake controller, Bluetooth streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, mirror mounted spotlights, electronic shift on the fly, rear parking sensors, and V8 engine. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Ford has won over millions of loyal customers with a wide range of value-driven vehicles. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The Nye Automotive Group has been the premier dealership in Oneida for vehicle sales and service for over 40 years. We are conveniently located on Route 5 in Oneida.